Dealing with exam anxiety. Breeze through your Cambridge English exam. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many find challenging: exam anxiety. It's a common concern, especially when preparing for something as significant as the Cambridge English exams. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with strategies to not only handle this anxiety but to ace your exams. So, what exactly is exam anxiety? It's the feeling of worry, doubt, or fear that can pop up when you're preparing for or taking an exam. Many students face it, and it's entirely natural, given the pressures surrounding such tests. Recognizing this anxiety is the first step towards managing it. 1. Deep breathing. Taking slow, deep breaths can calm your nervous system. Before the exam or even during breaks, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Repeat a few times. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water ensures that your brain and body function optimally. But avoid too much caffeine as it can increase anxiety. 3. Sleep well. A well-rested mind is more focused and less prone to anxiety. Ensure you get a good night's sleep before your exam. 1. Positive affirmations. Remind yourself that you are prepared and capable. Simple statements like, "I've got this," or "I'm well prepared," can boost confidence. 2. Visualization. Picture yourself in the exam room, feeling calm and answering questions with ease. This mental rehearsal can be a powerful tool against anxiety. 3. Break tasks down. Instead of looking at the entire exam, focus on one question or section at a time. Completing smaller tasks can give you a sense of achievement. 1. Practice. Familiarize yourself with the exam format by doing past papers. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. 2. Study breaks. Instead of long, grueling study sessions, break your study time into chunks. This keeps your mind fresh and reduces the risk of burnout. 3. Stay organized. Have all the materials you need ready before the exam. Knowing you're prepared can greatly reduce feelings of panic. Dealing with exam anxiety is all about preparation, both mentally and physically. Remember, it's okay to feel nervous. Embrace those feelings, apply these strategies, and let them propel you towards success. Here's hoping this video brings you a step closer to acing your Cambridge English exam. Best of luck, and happy learning!